Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, March the 22nd, 2023. We have not so good news. We have only three regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the binary puzzle, the medium Sudoku, and the killer Sudoku. Not so good news, because in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles. No extra puzzles, no additional. Let me show you in this daily newspaper. What I will do is I will solve an additional in one of the old newspapers. An additional with that's not finished. Maybe three puzzles left. See, no extra puzzles. Alright, I will need to search in my archive for the old puzzles. Okay. News of the day. Well, it's war day number 392. 392 days ago, the war started in Ukraine, and everything has been changed in the world. Yes, almost 400 days. This puzzle will be in number 6153. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits, and it's a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, that means in a row or in the column there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Let me see. Alright, now I need to think. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones in this column. If I place number 5 here, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between in this column, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Alright. And now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, the 5th O, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. Yeah. Double O, here 1, there 1. And I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and the fifth one. So that box should be an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Well. Need to think. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. We have there four O's. If I place number 5 here in this column, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. This can be no, this should be a 1. Between the ones comes an O. If I place 1, 2, 3, 4, the fifth O there, then we still have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be no, this should be a 1. Number 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5. The fifth one, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, correct. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. Alright. Alright. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and fifth one. That box should be no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be no. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Finished in 9 minutes. Alright. Great binary. Great binary without comparing. So we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can compare it. So you can solve it, or yeah, you can download this PDF file so you can solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and yeah, I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, the medium Sudoku and the killer Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.